The current world record for the highest tennis ball catch is 143 metres. That's right, all the way up there. Today, we're going to see if we can go higher. Wish us luck. See you when you come down, ball. Only just see the drone. Woo! When you're ready, drone. Now, just before we get started on today's episode, kids, let me just remind you about our merch items available on our website, like our mini Aussie hat made just for kids' heads. One of my favourites, Aussie socks, with a nice little message reminding you to always stay keen. You can get yourself a sweatband, just like Aussie's, but even cooler, with Aussie's logo. Or a mini replica Aussie tee made just for you kids. Or, brand new to our website, is our personalised video message made just for you from Aussie. Right now available on our website, aussieforkids.com.
Aussie, 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 oi. Aussie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day kids, it's Ozzie here. Now today, we're in for a treat. We're gonna try something that no one in the world has ever done. That's right, we're going for another world record. Now why am I holding a drone and a tennis ball? Well, the current world record for the highest tennis ball catch is 143 metres. That's right, all the way up there. Today, we're gonna see if we can go higher. Now, how are we going to get these items all the way up into the sky? They've got a hook under here, and that can carry our items all the way up and then drop them, ready for us to catch. Wish us luck. All right, I've done some stretches. I've hooked up the tennis ball to our Airoo drone up there, and I've got the best drone operator on hand. Channing's got lots of experience flying a drone. He's a drone pilot, you might say. So he's gonna get it up there. We're gonna do a couple of warm-ups before we go to that 144 world record height. So we're gonna start at 50 meters, I think, Chan. So let's get it up there and we'll start to get an idea of the wind conditions, see what else is happening around us so that we can judge where the ball is actually gonna land. All right, let's go. Send her up to 50, Channing. All right, so we've got our controls telling us we're at 50 meters. We're just gonna check in with our surveyor who's on hand over there Doing an amazing job with his equipment over there. We'll get a shot of our surveyor. Smack on 50, so the camera, the drone, the control, and the surveying equipment is all recording 50 metres. Way! One hand, one bounce. That's a rule in backyard cricket in Australia. So I say that count. It doesn't count? Okay. All right, let's get it back down. We'll do another practice. Kids, if you don't get something right on the first go, it doesn't matter. You just have to keep working at it, figuring out where you're going wrong. So we'll just take little steps towards our goal. We've just got to stay keen. That's what the surveyor is using to measure the exact height. So that's sitting on the bottom of the camera, and his equipment can pinpoint exactly how far off the ground this drone is flying. Then we have GPS signals which come through the camera into the control over there, so we can record accurately to the millimetre how far off the ground we are going to go. That's why we're going to make sure we do this properly so that when we get above 143, we can secure that world record. All right. .50-metre catch. All right, so we're making improvements already. As I said, this is going to be a slow work in progress from 50 metres all the way up to 144 is what we need to break that world record. So 50 metres, we're going to go up to 100 metres now. So double the height. We've just got to watch that ball all the way down into our hands. That is the secret. That is going to be the secret of catching this tennis ball. Figuring things out as we go. All right, we've done 50. We're going to go double the height, going up to 100 metres. What is 50 plus 50? 100. Okay. 103 metres. All right, ready? $103 meters. All right, you can see how far I've just had to run. Probably, I reckon that's traveled 30 meters through the air. I reckon we're just gonna go for it. Let's go 145. Let's get the world record, lock it away at 145, but I reckon I'm gonna have to launch it from a lot further that way. Now we've launched the drone from right here, but we're gonna send it 145 meters up. Now at 100 meters, or 103 actually, we saw how far the ball traveled, so I'm actually going to start my run up further this way. I had a bit of success running with the ball, so I'm going to not go too far because I do want to watch it and run with the ball and see if I can catch it as I'm traveling into it. Wish me luck. 248 metres, world record. Woo! How good is that? The question now that we've secured the world record, well, as soon as we send it through to Guinness World Records with all of our data from our drone, from our camera, from our surveying equipment, we are going to send it up, see if we can get it even higher. Kids, we came here today with the intention of trying to break a world record, but more importantly than that, just pushing ourselves outside our comfort zone, seeing if we can get this ball as high as we can go. So we've locked away 148 metres, 5 metres higher than the previous world record, but I reckon we could go higher. We're gonna send it up, see if we can get close to 200 and try our luck with that distance. Wish us luck. I'm going to send it up and we're going to see if we can get it from 200, because 200 sounds like a nice round number to me. 148's a nice record to have, but if we go to 200, I reckon it's going to stick with us, that record, for quite a while, because it's pretty high. Right, so we're going to send it back up, try our luck. See you when you come down, ball. We're going up to 200. Is it ambitious? Absolutely. Is it fun? It certainly is. You've got to always keep pushing yourself. I reckon it's going to travel a fair bit. 100 metres, so we've got double the height to go. Another 100 metres. Drone says 200, our surveyor. 204, that sounds close enough to me to 200. Woo! When you're ready, Droney. And 4. Has it hit the ground? No, because I caught it all the way from up there. You can see where the drone is? If you squint, tell you what, that's a world record. I'm pretty stoked to have. Yes! Yeah! What an awesome morning, breaking a world record for the highest tennis ball catch ever, 204 metres. Kids, I hope you've loved it as much as I have. It's been an absolute blast. Keep pushing yourself, keep aiming high, keep having fun. And we'll see you in another brand new episode of Aussie this Sunday. Until then, stay keen. If you haven't already, make sure you get a grown-up to help you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new and exciting videos that we put out. Speaking of new and exciting, if there's a video that you'd love to see Aussie do, make sure you send us a message on our socials, on Facebook or Instagram at Aussie for Kids. We'll see you again soon, kids. And until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Aussie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Aussie, 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 oi. Ozzie is a friend of yours, and he's a friend of